I'm really impressed by the level of organization. Everything is very well organized in terms of pace, in terms of welcoming people.
For me, what I love about these events, because I came by, is really a good balance between the good speech. Really, I think the speech that we hear is concrete example of their day-to-day business that you can really relate. And also the networking, you have the time to network.
When you look at the schedule, you think, oh wow, I've got like 3 or 4 meetings back to back. In reality, those 20 or 30 minutes go quite quickly. From our perspective, we've already booked another one, so I think that obviously tells you what we think of it.
So it's not really big summit, but it also gives you the opportunity to really have some detailed discussions with people. So that is something that I really like about it.
In a couple of words, I think it's a very reliable and professional expertise and a group of people who can really deliver the future vision of the packaging or the sustainability in packaging.
It was amazing. It was mind-blowing. Honestly, I'm on day 2 and I have already had amazing connections. The talks, they were very eye-opening and mind-triggering, really food for thought.
It will enrich the person in terms of knowledge, enrich the company as well that is working for, because it provides like a broader perspective and alignment with the industry.